Ay-ya. I know, I thought I had it started and we'd be ready to go. Yeah. I don't know if the guy just wet nothing over here. Do you think they come to it or not?
Whoop. Did you fall down?
Yes.
You okay? The bad snow. Bad snow made me fall down.
Ooh. Oh, God.
You throw back at Daddy. Throw some snow back at Daddy. Say, Daddy, I'm not as big as you are. I can't throw it as far as you can. Hey, Karina, throw it at Daddy. I saw you. You got Daddy with the snow.
You knocked me over with your precociousness. Okay. What do you think? You ready to go in? No. No?
Want some cocoa?
Want some hot chocolate? Some cocoa? You need some help? Huh? You need some help? Okay. Go up the thing. See if you can go up the ramp.